There is another question from this lesson. Write about the following: dispersion, rainbow, atmospheric refraction, such like that. So there are the two types of combinations will be there. There will be a chance of definitions, or there will be a chance of asking the reason for the cause of the physical phenomena. For example, why the advanced sunrise and delayed sunset forms. Okay, now let us go for the each one. Dispersion. The splitting of white light into its components colors VIBGYOR is called as the dispersion of light. Rainbow formation is an example for the dispersion of light. Rainbow. A rainbow is a natural spectrum appearing in the sky in rainy season mostly. It is caused by dispersion of sunlight by tiny water droplets. It is always formed in a direction opposite to that of sun. Here, the water droplets act like a small prisms. They refract and disperse the incident sunlight. Then the total internal reflection takes place and finally refract again. The third, atmospheric refraction. We normally observe the apparent random wavering or flickering of objects seen through a turbulent stream of hot air rising above a fire. The air just above the fire becomes hotter than that air further up forms a different optical densities that causes refraction. This refraction due to Earth's atmosphere. Now, twinkling of stars. Twinkling of stars is due to the atmospheric refraction. The light on entering in the Earth's atmosphere undergoes refraction continuously before it reaches our eye. This causes a continuous change in the position of the star. It appears like the twinkling. It is not possible for planets because as they are nearer or closer to the Earth relatively. Advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. The sun is visible to our eye about 2 minutes before actual sunrise and about 2 minutes after the actual sunset because of the atmospheric refraction. Tyndall effect. The Earth atmosphere is a heterogeneous mixture of a minute particles. These particles include smoke, dust, water droplets, and what is called molecules of air. When a beam of light strikes such a fine particles, then further of beam becomes visible. The path of the beam is visible. The light reacts the part after being reflected, diffused by these particles. The phenomena of scattering of light by these colloidal particles gives us a Tyndall effect. Why the color of the sky is blue? The molecules of the air and other fine particles like oxygen and nitrogen in the atmosphere have smaller size than that of wavelength of the visible light will scatter the light of shorter wavelengths, mostly blue, more than the other colors, as blue color is scattered and it seems to be in the blue color.